Bitcoin trades near $30,000, Ether stays below $1,900. Banning crypto is not effective in the long term, says IMF. Amazon pledges $100 million for generative AI startups. FTX sues K5 Global to recover $700 million in investments. FC Barcelona reveals NFT auction with World of Women. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. After 2 consecutive days of gains, virtual digital assets have encountered resistance as economic growth worries and global central banks' move to check inflationary pressure were back on the table. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.3% at 39,930 points. In a separate development, OKX, the second largest crypto exchange by trading volume, has recently partnered with Levitas, a leading data aggregator for cryptocurrency derivatives, to boost Levitas users' trading insights through the platform's integration of OKX's real-time data feeds. Interestingly, Invesco, WisdomTree, Fidelity, Valkyrie initiated steps to float ETF. Analysts say big institutions partnering with crypto is likely to be a catalyst for mainly Bitcoin for the foreseeable future. Meanwhile, investors seem to shrug off the Bank of England's 50 basis points rate hike, which veered from other central banks' recent dovishness. Inflation in the UK remained at a stubbornly high 8.7% in May. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading lower around the $1.08 trillion mark, dropping 1.1% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes dropped about 35% to $37 billion. Spot Bitcoin ETF filings with the US Securities and Exchange Commission by 3 financial services giants, including BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, have buoyed investors who had been reeling earlier this month when the SEC filed lawsuits against exchange powerhouses Binance and Coinbase. In other news, Litecoin payments reached an all-time high as the cryptocurrency recorded 167 million transactions. LTC is up 15% in the past 7 days, which is attributed to the approaching halving event, analysts said. According to data from Sentiment, meme coin Pepe has witnessed a massive surge in the token over the last 2 days, having grown approximately 61% within that period. US stock futures were trading lower as Wall Street headed for a losing week. Futures tied to the S&P 500 slid by 0.5%, while Nasdaq 100 futures lost 0.7%. Futures connected to the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 116 points or 0.3%. Bitcoin was trading at $30,105, down 0.3%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down 1.4%, trading at $1,879. BNB was down 3.5% to trade at $243.8. Next on the list is Solana Sol, which was down 4% and was trading at $16.6. Cardano's ADA token was down by 2.7% to trade at $0.29. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $12.8, lower 2%. Next on the list, Polygon Matic was trading down by 4% to trade at $0.66. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 3% at $0.66. Shiba Inu was trading up by 5%, and Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.49, down by 3.4%. In other news, Ripple highlighted the global adoption of central bank digital currency. The world's largest central banks are planning to pilot the launch of their own bank-backed digital currencies, analysts believe. Polkadot was down by 0.1% to trade at $4.9.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. On June 22nd, the IMF reported on the benefits of CBDCs, noting that they could lower remittance cost and improve financial inclusion. It all stated that crypto needs to be regulated for digital assets to safely remain part of the payment system. However, in conclusion, the IMF painted a positive picture of the crypto industry, saying that outright bans are not effective. The IMF acknowledged the risk with crypto and advocated robust regulations for the new asset class. The report provides a stark contrast from the outlook in the United States, which appears hell-bent on squashing the fledgling industry in its entirety. In an apparent bid to assert its presence in the rapidly expanding artificial intelligence landscape, Amazon Web Services, the retail giant's sizable cloud computing arm, has introduced a fund of $100 million to bolster startups focusing on generative AI, known as the AWS Generative AI Innovation Center. The program is designed to connect AWS-affiliated data scientists, strategists, engineers, and solutions architects with customers and partners. The aim, in Amazon's words, is to accelerate enterprise innovation and success with generative AI. Generative AI, including tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney, is a subset of artificial intelligence which, instead of learning to classify data or predict outcomes, is capable of generating new content. It creates anything from text and images to music based on learned patterns. Bankrupt crypto exchange FTX on Thursday sued a former aide to Hillary Clinton and the former aide's investment firm, seeking to claw back $700 million in investments allegedly made with misappropriated FTX funds. FTX said its founder Sam Bankman-Fried was a profligate patron who showered Michael Keeves, his firm K5 Global, and K5 co-founder Brian Baum with cash as part of an ongoing scheme to fraudulently use company assets for personal gain, according to a complaint filed in Wilmington, Delaware bankruptcy court. Bankman-Fried authorized the transfer of $700 million to K5 entities in 2022, and he leaned on K5's celebrity and business connections in his effort to obtain rescue financing in the days before FTX went bankrupt in November 2022, according to the lawsuit. Spanish soccer giant FC Barcelona has teamed up with NFT project World of Women for the second release of the club's 10-part Masterpieces collection, which artistically spotlights the achievements of iconic players past and present. Titled Empowerment, the digital artwork created by artist Ree Madeline celebrates women's club captain Alexia Putellas and symbolizes transformation and a catalyst for progress, according to the club. The gold-adorned artwork depicts Putellas during the Women's Champions League semi-final match versus German club Wolfsburg in 2022, a game in which she scored 2 goals to lead her team to victory. The 2-day auction for Empowerment will begin on June 26th, exclusively via the OpenSea marketplace. Physical utility for the NFT, which is minted on Ethereum scaling network Polygon, includes the opportunity to meet Putellas, as well as the ability to claim a signed pair of boots and a physical seat from Barcelona Stadium named Spotify Camp Nou, signed by the player. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing stocks of the day.
Deflationary meme coin launched on Ethereum, Pepe coin, has seen a huge gain this week amid a broader crypto rally, outperforming other meme coins like Shiba, Floki, and DogeCoin. Pepe had a market capitalization of $616 million and was trading at 10.11% higher than the previous day. Even as some of the producers of these meme tokens provided ecosystem enhancements, Pepe gains was still much higher than those of Shiba Inu, Floki, and DogeCoin, indicating high buying interest in Pepe coin. Pepe future contracts experienced liquidations totaling more than $13 million. Analysts believe that as short positions or wagers that the price of Pepe will decline were resolved, this may have contributed to the price jump. SingularityNet, a blockchain-based platform with AI system tied to Cardano, has joined the current rally as general market sentiment has increased. SingularityNet had a market capitalization of $303 million and was trading at $0.24, up nearly 2% over the previous day. Analysts attribute SingularityNet's recent growth to a combination of emotion towards the protocol as an AI token and by the overall favorable momentum the market is now experiencing. Decentralized trading platform Uniswap has come under fire from developers after imposing a business source license on its version 4 code. Uniswap's native token was trading near $4, down 1.07% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $2 billion. According to a report by DL News, this move has restricted other developers from using the code for 4 years, leading to accusations that Uniswap is betraying its open source ethos. DeFi developers argue Uniswap's version 4 white paper features are similar to rival protocols, questioning the exchange's open source commitment and potential plagiarization of other protocols' ideas. IOST is an ultra-fast, fully fledged and decentralized blockchain network and ecosystem with its own nodes, wallets, and based on the next generation consensus protocol dubbed Proof of Believability. AIR Metaverse and IOST just announced a strategic alliance. IOST will increase its technological support for Web3 as a result of this partnership. IOST had a market value of $155 million and had increased its trade by 0.41% on the previous day. In addition, the collaboration will increase IOST's assistance with AIR's Metaverse journey in Hong Kong. The platform will help AIR establish itself as a desirable services-based metaverse. The parties to the cooperation will also use, create, and integrate the metaverse. Additionally, they will serve as a bridge to assist customers in moving from Web 2 to Web 3. Given the enormous influence AIR has in Hong Kong, the partnership has improved IOST's position in the market. Analysts quoted that the partnership looks promising and they also believe a positive rally going forward. A new update to the Polkadot open source sharded multi-chain protocol has been made available to ensure the platform's continued growth and acceptance. The most recent Polkadot network update, codenamed Polkadot version 0.9.43, went into effect on June 28th and is now anticipated to improve user experience. Polkadot had a market valuation of $5 billion and was trading near $4, down 0.44% during the previous 24 hours despite this event. The Polkadot team claims that the most recent network enhancements include runtime migration and a database migration. While the latter will only run once again during a runtime upgrade, the former are procedures that will update the database to its absolute limit.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.